The 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air is an icon of American automotive history, and this latest Restomod elevates it to a new level of style, performance, and exclusivity. Sporting a striking glossy black and terracotta two-tone finish, this classic cruiser has been fully transformed while preserving the essence of the 1950s design language. With its long, sweeping hood, signature chrome accents, and meticulously crafted details, it commands attention wherever it goes. Originally dubbed the Hot One by General Motors in the 1950s, the Bel Air of that era was known for bold styling and impressive features. Chrome fender spears, stainless steel window moldings, and full wheel covers created a statement of elegance and power. The 1956 model introduced practical innovations, including a flip-open taillight to access the fuel filler and the option for a two-color bodyside, giving buyers the chance to personalize their ride. Today's Restomod takes that heritage and injects it with modern engineering to deliver performance that the original designers could only dream of. Under the elongated hood of this Restomod sits a 496 cubic inch big block V8 crate engine. Based on a standard 454 block, the engine's bore and stroke have been increased for additional power, while a Holley Dominator EFI system ensures smooth throttle response and modern reliability. Power is sent to the wheels through a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 3.90-to-1 gears and posi traction, providing thrilling acceleration while maintaining drivability for modern roads. The chassis and frame have been updated with a custom-painted frame, rack and pinion steering, and a band clamp exhaust system, letting the V8 roar with a commanding presence. Four-wheel disc brakes provide safe and confident stopping power. The exterior aesthetics are just as impressive. Shot accelerator wheels wrapped in sticky Mickey Thompson tires complement the bold two-tone paint, giving the Bel Air an aggressive yet elegant stance. Every angle, from the grille to the taillights, showcases a perfect blend of classic design and modern enhancements. This balance is what makes the Restomod so captivating. It's a vintage icon with contemporary performance and reliability. Inside, the custom interior preserves the 1950s DNA while offering modern comfort and convenience. Corbeau bucket seats, upholstered in black and terracotta leather, mirror the exterior color scheme, while the black-painted dashboard hosts updated factory-style gauges. The center console houses a locker shifter and cup holders, maintaining practicality without compromising aesthetics. Custom door panels and a matching headliner complete the interior, making every ride a pleasure. The odometer reads just 47 miles, highlighting the fresh quality of the restoration. This 1956 Chevy Bel Air Restomod has already made waves in the collector community, previously featured at Barrett-Jackson and now available through Vanguard Motors for $329,900. For enthusiasts seeking a combination of classic American style, modern engineering, and high-performance fun, this Bel Air is a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that performs as well as it looks. With only a few like it available worldwide, it represents both a driving experience and a collectible investment.